Dear Diary, I've been playing around with the birds. Been chasing them all day. Wonder what to do now. Hey. Well, nothing. Birds are now out. I can't chase them anymore. He scratched there. Wonder why. They just don't want me now. I don't know what's happening. So, Dear Diary, same bird again. I figured out. Nothing. Playing with my toy now. Nothing to it. Why can't things move like this? Why can't they move themselves? What a grip. Dear Diary, this is the last talk I'm gonna have with you. I'm now happy. A little. I'm playing with my toy now, as you can see. Flapping my wings. Boring Diary. Always and